Igbo kwenu, yeah. Kwenu, yeah. Kwezuenu, yeah. Oge ilu Igbo. Time for Igbo Proverbs. And I bring to you today this important and special one. And the proverb today is Nwata tulie nna ya elu, ogoda wuchie ya anya, which means, literally, if a child throws his father up in a battle, he will be covered by the father's robes. And the interpretation means a child who fails to respect his father and parent generally will suffer a great consequence. Before God and before man is a great sin and attracts a great cost and consequence that will be hard to actually delete in the person's life. So I warn you to respect your parents. Respect them today, and God will bless you for that in Jesus' name. Amen.